Well, here's a rare bird, and no pun intended. It's a 1989 Pontiac Trans Am GTA Convertible. Now, when was the last time you saw one of these? This has got the 5.7 liter. That's what makes it special. A lot of guys have the ones with 305, the 5 liter. This is the 5.7, 350, tuned port injection, a real convertible. 69,000 original miles, black, tan leather. It's an absolutely beautiful car all around. It's got the factory mesh wheels. Listen to that baby run. She sounds good, looks good, runs good, top's in excellent condition. Just a beautiful 1989 Pontiac Trans Am GTA convertible. Don't find them, don't see them. Here's one with only 69,000 original miles. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.